happening, guys? Big M here, and I know I haven't uploaded in a very long time. I thought it was about time that I addressed that. So this video is pretty much, as you can tell, I'm not on the bike, I'm not out and about, I am sitting at my desk with a lovely green screen behind me, and I just wanted to let you guys know what's been happening, where I've been, and pretty much why I haven't uploaded. I know some of you may already know, if you don't know, quite a few of you come from Lazy Boy's channel, and I was on Lazy Boy's channel not that long ago, helping him get his new Verdero, which is lovely, by the way. But so yeah, I want to kind of tell you what's been going on, and I've been having to think about what to do with the channel, and I'm gonna let you guys know what I'm gonna do with it as well, due to what I've pretty much been doing since everything kicked off. So as you know, I've had many little adventures, including a crash or two, on my PCX. It was the red PCX. Loved the bike, absolutely loved it, but it was September of last year, kinda. I think it was September. The PCX was stolen out of my back garden. Took us a while to sort of find out where it was. I posted on Facebook and everything that it had gone missing. Everyone in the community was amazing. They were keeping an eye out for it. The police finally found it. It had been completely and utterly burnt out, as in all the things that they could salvage from it were stripped off, and then it was satellite. There was no recovering at all. There was no getting any salvage and parts back. There was not even selling it for scrap, because there was nothing left on it, pretty much. And you know, being the smart person that I am, I thought I had third party, right? English. I thought I had third party fire and theft on it, but I didn't. I only had third party, so I've been left with the bill for it, pretty much. I'm still paying it off at the moment, but I was lucky that my lovely cousin, who was getting a mobility car, pretty much gave me her car. So I'm not without transport anymore, which is how I helped Lazy Boy get his Veladara, was because I do have my car now. And getting another bike, I would love to, I really would, but it's not financially stable enough for me to get one, because I'd also have to sit my CBT again, because that's run out, and it's very hard for me to do right now. So I'm loving my car. I've been all around my car now already. But yeah, so that's kind of why I haven't been uploading, because I didn't have the bike, and I've been going through a lot of mental things as well. Obviously, you guys know I've been suffer for quite some time. I'm not going to go completely into what's been going on, just because I still don't feel right to share that at the moment still. But I have been going through a lot of stuff. We'll leave it at that. Some of you who know me well will already know what I've been going through, but I might be asking sort of what have I been doing, if I've actually been doing things, or if I've just left it. Well, I know I've said this a few times on my channel, that I love gaming, and so you might be wondering why the hell I've actually got a green screen. That is because I stream on Twitch, because I love gaming, always have done. Went from console to PC, and then I've upgraded PC to my brand new Omen PC, which is a beast. But I stream. Haven't got an actual schedule as of yet. Kind of just sort of stream when I stream. But I usually stream almost every day to every other day on Twitch. Which I will put my Twitch somewhere on screen. Probably put me. But it's big_m_gaming. So if you guys want to come along and still see me, So if you guys want to come along and still kind of keep in touch with me, that is the best place to do it. I still read comments and things on the channel. I still get notifications of the comments. I still try to reply to them when I can. I still try to reply to comments where I can. And I definitely will be replying to any comments on this video. But as of motorbike videos anymore, there isn't going to be any. Because I just don't have any. There's none. There's no more footage. There's nothing. Because the last video I uploaded was the rest of the footage that I had from before my bike got stolen. So there was literally nothing I could physically do about uploading another video. Which I know some of you might be a bit upset about, because I know a lot of you have came for the motovlogging content. But I didn't just want to leave the channel where it is. So what I've been thinking about in my head, because I have been on Twitch now for over a year. So I'm affiliated on Twitch, and I have so many clips, funny moments, pretty good moments as well. I want to create little compilations or funny little videos and things, and use the channel as sort of another way of getting it out there a bit. So I'm gonna aim to try and change the name to Big Game Gaming, because as of now there's going to be no more motovlogs. The motovlogs I am not deleting. The motovlogs are still going to be on the channel. It's still going to be there for everyone to view, everyone to enjoy them, and things like that. I'm going to be uploading gaming content. So I know some of you might not like that, but I do appreciate everyone who has been there for me. I know this community, when I uploaded my mental health video, it really showed me how great this community really is on YouTube, and the motovlogging community itself. So first I want to thank everyone who has helped me out, especially Lazy Boy. You're an amazing guy. Still in contact with him, obviously. But as of now, Twitch is the main thing right now. You can come and see me live, play games and things. For instance, the reason I've got this green screen, because I can kind of show you what's going on. With this. This is kind of what you'll see. This is my sort of gaming setup. Currently got a bit of Apex Legends going on, because I'm probably going to be streaming today. I am going to be streaming today. Helps if I stay active on it. But yeah, I'm going to be playing some games, going live. You guys can come and join and have some fun. But let me just take us back to that big screen. There we go. So that's kind of what I've been doing. That's where I'm really want to take the channel. I do look forward to seeing any comments and talking to you guys on what you think about me taking the channel that way. But I wanted to inform all of you what's been going on, give you the in-depth of why I haven't really been uploading, and where you can find me if you still want to, be involved in what I'm doing. So that's currently the situation, and it's probably the last time you're going to hear me say this, but like always, ride safe, but have fun. Peace.